How to glow up in just 24 hours for school. In this video, I will share tips that will transform your appearance and boost your confidence in no time. Let's dive into the video. Step 1. Skincare. Cleansing. Give your face a fresh start. Choose a cleanser that's just right for your skin type and gently wash away the dirt, dust, and impurities that are dulling your sparkle. It's time to uncover the radiant you. Steaming face. After cleansing, let's move on to steaming. Steaming opens up your pores and allows for deeper cleaning. Fill a bowl with water, place your face above it and cover your head with a towel to trap the steam. Stay there about for 10 minutes. This will soften your skin and make it easier to remove impurities like blackheads in the next steps. Shaving. We will use Vaseline for this. You all know how good Vaseline is, so there is no need to explain, right? Apply a thin layer of Vaseline to your face, then carefully use a facial razor to shave. This removes pitch, fast and dead skin cells. Face mask. Now it's time for a face mask. Choose one that hydrates or suits your skin and leave it on 10 to 15 minutes. Face masks help nourish and hydrate your skin. Ice cubing. Grab an ice cube and gently run it over your face for 2 to 3 minutes. Ice helps close your pores and give your skin a nice look. Use tea compress. Grab 2 tea bags, soak them in warm water and place them over your eyes for about 10 minutes. The coffee in the tea reduces puffiness and dark circles. Makeup. Finish your glow up with a touch of light makeup that enhances your natural beauty. Curl your lashes with eyelash curler to open up your eyes and make them pure brighter. Apply a layer of foundation or BB cream of even out of your skin tone. This minimum makeup approach is quick and perfect for an effortless look. Step 2. Body care. Exfoliation. Start with exfoliating your body to remove dead skin cells. Shaving. Next, shave to achieve soft, smooth skin. Use a good shaving cream or gel to avoid irritation and make sure to shave in the direction of hair growth. Moisturizing. By moisturizing your body to look in hydration, mix Vaseline with any oil you have like coconut oil or almond oil for a rich, nourishing blend. Apply it all over your body to keep your skin glowing and soft. Step 3. Hair. Knowing your hair type. Start by choosing the right hair care products for your specific hair type. For dry hair, use a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. Apply the conditioner mainly to the ends of your hair to avoid weighing down the roots. Oily hair, opt for a balancing shampoo and avoid applying conditioner to your scalp. Focus on the ends instead. And conditioner, wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week to maintain its natural oil and health. Heatless curls. If you want to curl your hair, then use heatless methods to avoid damage. Try braiding damp hair and leaving it overnight for natural looking waves. Alternatively, use foam or fabric rollers on slightly damp your hair and let it dry overnight. Do easy cute hairstyles. Learn a few easy and trendy hairstyles to keep you look fresh and stylish. A half bun is a quick option for a casual day. Scatter your hair into loose bun and secure it with a bobby pins. Step 4. Nails. Begin by cleaning your nails thoroughly. Use a nail brush or a cotton pad with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt or residue. Next, trim your nails to your desired length using nail clippers. This prevents them from snagging or breaking and helps maintain a neat appearance. Step 5. Oral hygiene. Teeth whitening. Brush your teeth with baking soda for a natural whitening effect. Baking soda helps remove surface stains and whiten your teeth. Gently brush for 2 minutes, gently rinse thoroughly with water. This method is an easy and effective way to brighten your smile quickly. Smile. Show off your smile with your teeth and lipstick. It's time to show off your confident smile. Smile. Smile naturally and confidently in front of the mirror. Hydration. Stay hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Proper hydration helps maintain healthy skin, improves digestion, and supports overall well-being. Drinking enough water also helps keep your skin glowing and your energy levels up, which complements all the other steps in your glow up routine.